Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependent form fields in Hubspot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Hubspot and navigating to Marketing, Lead Capture, Forms. From here, either select an existing form you want to edit or create a new one if you prefer to build from scratch. Editing an existing form is a quick way to add conditional logic to fields you already use. Choose the field that will act as your trigger. This should be a drop-down or radio select field. Fields like country or industry work well. The trigger determines which other fields appear, so pick something relevant to the information you want to collect. Then open the Logic tab in the left editor. Here you'll tell HubSpot how to show or hide dependent fields based on the trigger selection. Now define the rule in 3 parts. In the first drop-down, select your trigger property. In the second drop-down, set the condition, for example, is any of, and select the values that activate the dependent fields, such as United States. In the third drop-down, under Then Show, select the fields that should appear when that condition is met, like state or region. When your rules are set, save the form and test it thoroughly. Try different trigger selections to confirm the correct fields appear and hide, and test on multiple devices and browsers to ensure consistent behavior. A practical tip: keep your trigger options clear and dependent fields concise so users aren't overwhelmed. Also, use descriptive field labels to make the data easier to analyze later. That's the full process for using dependent form fields in HubSpot. Follow these steps to streamline data collection and improve the user experience on your forms.